Hey everybody, it's Mark back up at the clay ball fields again. It rained really bad yesterday, really heavy, so my field, even though it's trimmed nice, is soaking wet. And I always said never did I want to be over there. Well, I got to take off from there. Got the breeze up in the air. Let's start the recording on that. I have no clue because how high she is, because something's in the way of the video. Okay, we're gonna set that one there. Pick up the controller, cross our fingers. We're not going to go far. Roll, baby. There she goes. So the breeze is pointing straight down. I'm not doing so good on takeoff here. I'm going to try and not hit it. Try not to crash this either. Still got nerve problems in my hand. Still can't feel one of my fingers, and it's shaking pretty bad right now, as you probably can tell on the flight. Let's do another loop and get warmed up. Maybe that'll make some good video, looking straight down. And probably still going to be a dot though. Can't look at both of these things at the same time. Wind's just picked up a little bit here. And it's chilly. It's about 61 degrees today. Nice. Weather always turns around Halloween. Usually get this big storm. That wasn't very good. I don't know what that was. This would be a cool video from the breeze if it's not going to be a dot. What's up, Rick, my buddy? Hope the wind's calmed down for you so you can go flying. I know y'all got some bad stuff going on out there. Let's see, what can we do? She kind of did what I wanted her to do. Let's see. Tried inverted on the first flight. It wasn't real wild about that. Kind of made a mistake, so we got to get up higher to do that. There it goes. Not bad. I want to try a knife edge with it, but I forget how to do that. That's kind of one. Kind of. Stop looking at the turkey buzzard. Start paying attention to what you're doing, son. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to land in that wet grass because at the end, this thing travels so far. I can't get it to slow down enough to land even with flaps. So I'm going to have to land over in that wet field. Breeze is making some noise up there. And she's making a lot of noise up there. It must be windy right there. Either that or she's getting ready to come home. Breeze will fly for about 7 to 8 minutes, but she's so far away she'll probably come home early. One minute left. I think I'm gonna get the clipped wing cub next. Oh, that was 30 seconds. Okay. Cut throttle. There's her flaps. If we can start getting her down some. I mean, that is 0 throttle. Come on, baby. Wind picked up right as I was doing this. Oh, nice. All right, guys. I kind of enjoyed that one for a change. All right, see you, Rick. See you, Nate. See you, Abby. Bye. Good morning, everyone. This is Mark at the clay ball fields again. It rained all day yesterday, pretty bad. They trimmed never mind.